Hi, my name is Alexandra Benyola, and I'm a neuroscience major at WVU. Are you unsure of what you want to do with your life and spend the next 4 years of your life studying? Try not to worry too much because you are not alone. Many people struggle with a similar problem when trying to select a degree. It is an important question that can be very difficult to answer without all the proper information. Honestly, I was in the same position this summer going into my freshman year. So you might ask, why did I choose this to study? This is a new idea to many prospective college students. If you were to choose neuroscience as your major, the opportunities you would receive at WVU include specific clubs and activities and research experience. Maybe you've never heard of this as a field of study. So, what does a neuroscience major entail? Generally speaking, it is a study of the brain. If you're interested in being involved in a STEM related field, this is a great subject to study. At WVU, there are two areas of emphasis that you can choose from, which are behavioral and cellular neuroscience. If you want to know why others act the way they do and how the brain is involved in those decisions, you should really look into this field. You can look at this major on the WVU official website, and you can learn about what is required for those trying to attain this degree. You can find facts about career opportunities for someone trying to get this degree, and even review courses required for those in the program. This is a great resource if you're interested in the brain but need more information. If you do find this idea engaging, there are many ways to meet others who are interested in the same career path as you through different programs. An amazing opportunity for those with this major at West Virginia is to join the Neuroscience Club. This organization offers an amazing support system for those interested in the brain and wanting to learn more about it. There are speakers who come to every meeting to educate members on information pertaining to this field of study. For example, one of the advisors came to a meeting to discuss her journey as an individual interested in studying the brain. Additionally, influential people in the field have come in to discuss opportunities available to us as students majoring in neuroscience, such as internships and research opportunities. As a member of the club, I met so many like minded individuals who are pursuing the same degrees I am. I've been able to make connections with people in the same classes that I am, so I have people to reach out to who can help me. It is important to have friends who are trying to accomplish the same goals as you, so you can have someone to talk to about your whole journey. Having this club at WVU is a huge help to those who are interested in studying the brain throughout their time in undergrad. In addition to having a club specific to this study, there are also an abundance of research opportunities for those involved in neuroscience. The Department of Neuroscience reviews all studies pertaining to this field and gives the contact information for the primary investigator of each study in the department. This is a great resource for those who want to gain experience in a lab in college. You will definitely find an opportunity that intrigues you at WVU through the numerous labs on campus. There are always personnel from the department, which includes faculty, who are looking for an undergraduate student in their lab. This is a valuable experience for those who are trying to get into medical school or graduate school. Another great opportunity is the Research Apprenticeship Program, or otherwise known as RAP. This program allows undergraduates to enter a lab with a mentor to learn from and assist in the entire research process. This is great for students who have no prior experience but want a safe place to start. It allows you to present your findings at the end of 2 semesters, which is important for any career you might be interested in. There are many opportunities available to those interested in studying the brain at WVU. You may feel overwhelmed by the hundreds of majors available to you. Instead of looking at this negatively, think of it as an opportunity. You can look into each idea that interests you to see which would be the best fit. Neuroscience has definitely been the perfect choice for me, as someone who is interested in medical school and research. You can find the right match for you, but don't forget to use your resources to help you in this process.